Nandito tayo ngayon sa ABS-CBN at tayo ay
Gago, nasa Genie tayo. Anong ABS?
Pwede rin, pero tsaka na yung Genie. Nandito tayo sa ABS-CBN ngayon at ano bang gagawin natin? Mambubulabog tayo ng artista para bumati ng happy birthday. Ito ang pinakamalibog na gitarista sa balat ng lupa. Gitarista ng Shamrock, Mr. Nico Capistrano. Anong masasabi mo sa birthday boy kay Mr. Ramil? Long time no see na ba? Mismo.
Yeah. Alam ko matinig ka rin. Ramil, happy birthday.
Yeah. This is Shamrock drummer Harold Huysen, the English spoken in German.
English speaking German.
Yeah, can you say happy birthday to our good friend Ramil?
Ramil?
Yes.
Happy birthday, Ramil.
There you go.
Stay away from Tupac. He's dangerous.
This is Shamrock drummer. I'm sorry, not drummer. Bassist. Bajista. Sam Santos.
Ramil, happy birthday. Have a good one.
Here we go.
Happy birthday, and sabi nga ni Harry, stay away from you.
Yeah!
Happy birthday, Romy. Tuloy tayo sa happenings. Ano ba yung pag-iinom? Ang babae.
Ayun, sige. Happy birthday, Ramil!
Happy birthday, Ramil.
Ayun!
Ramil, let's go na.
Ramil, heard a lot about you. Some not too good. Some, well, nothing good at all, to be honest about it. You know, I tried to be nice. But just to say, I hope you get over your problem and you see the light. And maybe this might be the most opportune time because it's your birthday. Happy birthday, Ramil.
Hi, Doc Ramil. Happy birthday. May you have many more to come and more success sa career mo, many happy moments with your loved ones, with your patients, with everybody. Happy birthday. And alam mo isang sekreto para magkaroon ng maraming birthday. Huwag mo silang tatatakan. Happy birthday, Doc.
Mabati kami sa iyo, Ramil, sa iyong karawan. This is a very important day. We are all happy you were born.
Hi, Ramil, your friends asked me to greet you. Hopefully you come here to the Philippines. Tour kita sa GMA. Medyo mas exciting yan sa Universal Studios. Ingat mo.
Hi, Ramil. Happy birthday sa'yo. Sana lagi kang maging masaya. And enjoy mo tong special day ng buhay mo dahil para sa'yo ito. Maligayang karawan.
Hi, Ramil. Advance happy birthday. At kung makapasyal ka rin sa Pilipinas, give me a call. Thank you.
Hi, Ramil. Magpakabait ka. Balita ko medyo may edges ka daw. Hindi, charing lang. Basta yan, ingat ka palagi. Basta next year na lang kita ililibre dahil sa successful ng aming movie. Yan, ingat ka palagi.
Ramil, balita ko, ikaw daw ang seryo ng LA, Salamat for always supporting Marimar. Pero alam mo, hindi ko makakalimutan yung pangalan mo dahil nung ginawa namin yung Mark Tupa story. Nandun ka eh. Kaso medyo nakayayat lang yung gumanap sa'yo eh. Pero alam kong ayos ka na dyan, kaya happy birthday sa'yo. Tsaka, bayaran mo na yung utang mo. Ayos.
More birthdays to come.